ang natatawa rin ako rito sa DOJ natin, parang pinapalabas nila na international warrant yung red notice. That is also a misconception. Kasapagkat there's no such thing as an international arrest warrant. Ang red notice po ay isang request lamang sa mga miyembro ng Interpol na informing them that there is a warrant of arrest here in the Philippines. A warrant of arrest issued by a Philippine court is only enforceable within the territorial jurisdiction of the Republic. That is fundamental. Ngayon, may request sila sa mga bansa na miyembro ng Interpol na kapag nakita nyo taong to, baka pwedeng paki-aresto, baka pwedeng paki-detain, i-deport, etc. But what we have to remember is that this is a mere request. Wala pong obligasyon ang any state, ang any government kung saan matatagpuan yung subject ng red notice na siya ay arestuhin, i-deport, i-detain, or to do anything. Always and in the final act, ang masusunod yung batas noong state, nung country where the person subject of the red notice is found and yung discretion ng kanilang authorities. So yun po, nililiwanag ko lang po na parang pinalalabas nilang international warrant. There is no such thing. Attorney Clavano, there is no such thing.